बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तो गाइस पार्ट नंबर 2 में हम फिर स्टार्ट करने जा रहे हैं। राणा पीकेसी मैंने डाउनलोड किया, ये मास्क ठीक है। और मुझे नींद भी बहुत आ रही है यार, जब भी फास्ट पेपर पढ़िए स्टार्ट करना नींद बहुत आती है मुझे। तो गाइस हम पढ़ते हैं, इसमें क्या है, ठीक है। 40 पेजेस हैं और जब मेरे पास हुई मैंने उसी टाइम में पास कर देंगे, ठीक है। वीडियो बंद कर देनी है। तो मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देना, ठीक है ना। वैसे तो अभी मैं कोई कोई ख़ास चीज़ें तो अपलोड नहीं कर रहा, लेकिन मे भी आ जाए, अगर सब्सक्राइबर आए तो मे भी आ जाए, ठीक है गाइस। तो ओके, तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं फिर। फाइनल टर्म एग्जामिनेशन स्प्रिंग 10, अच्छा 2010 के हैं, काफ़ी पुराने हैं। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज़ नॉट अ मॉडर्न एप्लीकेशन फॉर कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स। क्या था कंप्यूटर ग्राफिक्स के लिए हमारे मॉडर्न एप्लीकेशन कौन सी नहीं है, तो आपको पता स्टॉप मोशन एनिमेशन नहीं है। Video games modern as scientific visualization, modern and boxing modern. Both boundary filling and flood file. Filling algorithm are non-recursive techniques. False है. TV series are made as simply as possible from the animation point of view. TV series are made as simply as possible. TV series दोबारा पढ़ देते हैं. TV series as are made as simply as possible from the animation point of view. This approach is generally known as limited animation. ठीक है, एनिमेशन वाले काफ़ी आ रहे हैं, तो काफ़ी समय रहा तो दो ही आए हैं, तीन आए हैं। An 8 frame run cycle that 4 फ्रेम से मुझे याद आया, फ्रेम बाय फ्रेम वीडियो एडिटिंग करते हैं और मैंने वो इंटरव्यू में बताया नहीं था किसी को, मुझे याद ही नहीं था। Each step gives a fast and vigorous dash. At this speed, the successive leg piece कहने लगा था मैं, leg position है, ठीक है ना। जब भूख लगे तो leg piece मुँह से निकलते हैं। Positions are quite widely separated and may need dry brush or speed lines to make the, ये हमने बस पहले पढ़ लिया था 4S का। डैश रिफ्लेक्शन इज, ये रेट्रो आपको पता रिपीट हुआ है, लास्ट वाली वीडियो में मैंने ये पढ़ाया था। रिफ्लेक्शन पढ़ा था, सॉरी पढ़ाया नहीं था, मैं पढ़ ही रहा हूँ। रिफ्लेक्शन इज द इफेक्ट ऑफ रिफ्लेक्टिंग लाइट टुवर्ड द डायरेक्शन फ्रॉम विच इट कम, नो मैटर द ओरिएंटेशन ऑफ द सरफेस। What makes this really challenging to model is that the index of the refraction, अच्छा wavelength, so दोनों ही wavelength है, reflective angle, reflecting angle, refracting, ठीक है, frequency, wavelength है, याद रखना जो wavelength। The reflected light wave turns out to be a single case since light is reflected at the same angle as an incident wave, ठीक है, simple. Tessellation can be adaptive ये बन अंदर पड़ा है, local degree of curvature of a surface, okay. Dash shed the reshape callback for the current window. The reshape callback is triggered when a window is reshaped. Blurred shape function, ये भी हमने पढ़ा है। 1.0 ये भी मैंने अभी भी पढ़ा है। NURB, इसका एब्रिविएशन नहीं पता मेरा। NURB stands for non-uniform rationally यार, relationship रिलेशनल क्या क्या यार हो रहा है। नॉन यूनिफॉर्म रैशनल बीटा सप्लाइंस, नॉन यूनिफॉर्म रैशनल बीटा सप्लाइंस, एन ऑर्थोगोनल सेट ऑफ फैक्टर्स मस्ट बी मेड, ये हमने पहले पढ़ा हुआ है, मस्ट बी मेड अप ऑफ द बेसिस ऑफ फैक्टर्स, ओके। नेक्स्ट अब हम कर रहे हैं बेजियर कर्व्स इज द न्यूमेरिकली द मोस्ट स्टेबल ऑफ all the polynomial based curves used in these applications. मोस्ट स्टेबल, ठीक है। नेक्स्ट है बेजियर कर्व इज द आइडियल स्टैंडर्ड फॉर रिप्रेजेंटिंग द मोर कॉम्प्लेक्स पीसवाइज पॉलिनोमियल कर्व। मोर कॉम्प्लेक्स keep polygon orientation consistent to make sure that when viewed from the outside, all the polygons on surface are oriented in the same direction. The dash is most simple example that exhibit the property self similarity. फ्रेंड इसका मुझे मतलब नहीं पता यार। अच्छा, थ्री डायमेंशनल शायद हमने ये रिपीट हमने पढ़ा था पहले। विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ रैशनल बेजियर कर्व्स fail if the weight assigned to a control point is negative? Convex hull. In the Phong reflection model, there are three constants ABC which are used to describe the qualities of which of the following phenomena: the attenuation attention तो है नहीं, attraction यार, of a point light source with the distance. The Phong reflection ये फिर आ गया. Model simplifies light matter interaction into four vectors and the number of the constant. Which piece of the Phong model is responsible for giving spheres their bright white spot? Specular. When you hit a surface in ray tracing, generally shadow rays are tested against all the objects in the sense. If these rays come back saying they hit an object in the sense seen, which of the following do you do? Add only the ambient light from that light source to object. The color space tool is a handy tool that we can use to interactively add two colors together to see effect of the various strategies for handling the saturated colors too. A polygon is usually defined by a sequence of vertices and edges. Which of the following properties of Bezier curve guarantees that a line passes through the control polygon as many times or more times than the line passes through the Bezier curve itself? Variation dimension. Parity is the concept used to determine which pixel lie within a polygon. The actual filling process in boundary filling algorithm began with when a point equal of the figure of the selected inside the boundary. We earlier a certain polygon clipping technique modifies the vertex processing procedure for window boundaries so that concave polygons are displayed correctly. If a line connecting if ये मैं खुद ही कर रहा हूँ, नेट का प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, ओके. If a line connecting any two points within a polygon does not intersect any edge, then it will be a polygon. Convex. Dash can be defined as a mapping of point Pxyz onto its image Pxyz in the view plane, which constitute the display surface projection. The reflected light wave turns out to be simple हो गया. फाइनल टर्म एग्जामिनेशन 2010 के ही हैं. Computer graphics and computer vision are related disciplines. OpenGL has become the industry most widely used and supported Dash graphics application programming interface. uh, application programming interface, API, application programming interface, bringing thousands of the applications to a wide variety of computer platform, two-dimensional and three-dimensional. Set of global people callback to the function so blur. यार मुझे बड़ी नींद आ रही है, सही बात है, बहुत नींद आ रही है, तो तुम लोग खुद ही करते हो। x2 a2 minus y2 b2 equal 1 is an equation of hyperbola. Okay, x2 over a2 y2 of b2 a b xy ठीक हो गया। To modify the object shape, sharing transformation cannot be used for us. Rotation is performed around a fixed point called pivot point rotation. Pivot point rotation. Pivot point rotation. Okay. Computer graphics is very helpful in producing graphical representation for scientific visualization and analysis. True, true, true. Save a line with both endpoints inside all clipping boundaries. Trivial, 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 expect. Dark lights are nothing more than lights in which one or more of the color values are unknown. Oh, sorry, unknown कह रहा हूँ, negative. Dark lights are nothing more than lights in which one or more of the color values are negative. At a physical surface, our eyes' perception of the color depend on the distribution of photo energies that arrive and trigger out the cone. This projection technique has the direction of projection perpendicular to the viewing plane, but the viewing direction is not perpendicular to one of the principal planes. Axionometric parallel projection. In the found reflection model, dash light is the same everywhere, ambient. A plane is two-dimensional since in order to uniquely define any point on its surface, we require two numbers. So 4 number लिया, a plane of two-dimensional since, ठीक है, जहाँ two-dimensional होगा वहाँ 2 आना है, याद रखना यार, रट्टा अच्छा लगाना बस, बाद में मुझे ना कहना इसमें रट्टा नहीं चाहिए था। In perspective projection, for your view to come out correctly, you will also want to dash to pass through the middle of the screen, z-axis. Neither floating point nor signed integer values are claimed to the range 0, 1 before updating the current color. An object's dash determines its orientation relative to the light source. For each vertex, OpenGL uses the assigned normal to determine how much light that particular vertex receives from each light source. Normal, which was the oldest shading model, flat shading. Which of the following affine transforms does not affect vectors? Translation. We want our scene to look more realistic. We should use ambient lights. This is a simple example of line clipping. The display window is the convex and also the default. Thus, all line segments inside the concave are drawn, clipping rectangle. One problem with grout shading triangles. There are more presentation. One more presentation of light in case of non-conductor surfaces. Dash lights should be avoided because they are not for real-time environment. Spot. A physical range of colors a device can display is called gamut of the device. Dash is simply the calculation of color reflecting over reflecting over यार गाइस मैं अंदर सो भी रहा हूँ कि अगर लेट हो गया तो खुद ही ऊपर नीचे करते रहना एमसीक्यूज when obtaining normal for a triangle which of the following mathematical constant is not used vector अस्सलाम वालेकुम अगेन गाइस। तो पहले कुछ यूँ मतलब मैं ज़बरदस्त हो गया था तो अब दोबारा से स्टार्ट करते हैं। ठीक है, मैं सो गया हूँ यार, ये वाकई बोरिंग हो जाता है अक्सर पढ़ते पढ़ते ना। तो हम स्टार्ट करते हैं यहाँ से। लाइटिंग इज़ नॉट डिपेंडेंट इन एनी सोर्स एम्बिएंट in order to get the more realistic representation of the lighting. Now we will read one start. The light pass through a medium and OED intersection. Lambert shading was used mostly back when computers were not fast enough to do. Grounded shading is the real time in perspective projection. The point of source, the point of view, POV, point of view must lie on the z-axis. If we want any object to glow, we should use massive lights. There are not many different ways of representing the intensity of a particular color element falls. In perspective projection, the screen plane must be parallel to XY plane. Dash light is reflected in all directions from surface diffuse. A space curve can be confined to a plane. To convert the information in the A matrix into the required for the P matrix, we do some simple mathematical algebra. First we have UA equal to U and P, then simply A, U and P. Perspective projection is specified with the function GL first term. Yes. Choose a camera lens and or adjust the zoom. Projection transformation. Choose a camera lens or adjust the zoom. Projection transformation. अच्छा तो बच्चों को गिनना पड़ेगा. Length will depend on the angle alpha and the z coordinate of the point to be projected, and L can be represented by z multiplied 110. Okay, alpha. The traditional approach in real-time computer graphics has been to calculate lighting at the vertex as a sum of the ambient diffusion and another way to define a space curve by using intermediate points and the tangents at each end for making the curve. Now, an independent consortium, the OpenGL architecture reviewed review board guides. The OpenGL is a multi-platform. A space curve is not confined to a plane. It is free to twist through space. Cubic polynomial. Refractive index is a function of temperature, mostly due to changes in density. If we assign a different value to the parametric variable for the intermediate point, then we obtain different values for the coefficient. This in turn means that a different curve is produced although it passes through the dash 3 points, same points. The attention formula is F1C plus LD plus QD2. Bezier curve is tangent to the lines connecting first 2 point and last 2 point. First 2 point and last 2 point. End point at the end point and intermediate point on this curve. Then we now dash quantities that we can express 9. Choose the camera lens and adjust the zoom lens. Perspective. Projection transformation. OpenGL function is used for aiming and positioning the camera toward the objective. GL load identity. A parametric curve is one whose defining the equations are given in terms of r dash common indivisible. The reflection coefficient 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 polygon vector not conform and next figure that the curve is always contained within the dash of the control points convex view plane or projection plane. Determine how large we want the final photograph to be. For example, we might want it enlarged. Viewport transformation. Cell hot edge occur when dot produce product of a surface normal vector and the view vector is 0. If the current matrix is multiplied by the translation matrix with the product replacing the current matrix, that is, if M is the current matrix and the T is the translation matrix, M multiply T. ये हमने पहले भी पढ़ा M multiply T. Arrange the signs. Arrange the scene यार. Arrange the scene to be photographed into the desired composition. Gaussian transformation. World space image separate. Bezier curve can represent the more complex piecewise polynomial curve. हाँ ये पहले पढ़ा हुआ है. A fractal is generally a property called self-similarity. Okay. Every point on the curve has a straight line associated with it called the staged line. The value returned is a unique small integer identifier for the window. The range of allocated identifiers start at 1. Curve and surface equation can be expressed in the either or parametric or a non-parametric form. True. Bernstein polynomial functions are the basic function of Bezier curves. Geometric patterns that is repeated at ever smaller scales to produce irregular space shapes and surfaces are called fractal. Appeal. This projection technique does not have a direction of projection perpendicular to the view plane, oblique parallel projection. GL model mode. Which of the following is not true about अच्छा ये quaternions की जगह में पढ़ने लगा था currently मुझे तो they can be used to represent all affine transforms और ले ये in OpenGL
in OpenGL. There are several different metrics. We have discussed two of them. In class. Which one of below? Which one of below would be used in conjugation with GL 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 G1 rotate F. G1 rotate F फंक्शन कार्डियों सा मॉडल भी हुआ है और GL फ्रक्स्टम है प्रोजेक्शन. Okay. In class, we discussed three forms of shading for the graphics, which was the first to use for vertex normals, flat shading. When solving this sphere intersection using the implicit equation for a sphere, you must solve the quadratic equation. The array does not intersect the sphere. Discard this result. Sets Gilbert. अच्छा ये मैंने बोला Gilbert ideal function. The tangent vector certainly defines the slope at one end of the curve, but a vector has characteristics of both direction and magnitude. Okay, yes. A bit mask to select a window with multi-sampling spot. If multi-sampling is not available, a window will automatically be chosen, not multi-sampling. Encapsulate. With similar expressions for YU and ZU. AU3 plus BU2 plus CU2. Each number that makes up a matrix is called an element of the matrix. Which one of the following step is not involved to write pixel using Windows bioservices using OpenGL service to set color of the screen? Show mask methods can display a wide range of colors. Show mask methods can display a range of colors. Using coin Sutherland line clipping, it is impossible for vertex to be labeled. Intensity of electron beam is controlled by setting the voltage level on the voltage level. ATD equal at. Which of the following is true, not true about matrices? अगेन नींद आ गई यार. मैं अभी सो के उठा था फिर नींद आ गई. पता नहीं पढ़ के क्यों नींद आ जाती है. ट्रू फॉल्स वाले पढ़ के तो वैसे ही नींद आ जाती है ना. व्हेन डॉट प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स इक्वल 0, दिस implies that the two vectors are parallel to each other. Orthogonal. A boundary fill and flood fill algorithm may use 4 connected and 8 connected approach. The show 2, 5, 6 colors. The no of bits required for each pixel are 8. 25 multiply 80 resolution with 60 color spot. That's all. Two matrices are said to be equal if they have same order and same corresponding element. 2 points are said to be a collinear if they lie on the same line. A polygon is convex if the line connecting any two points inside the polygon don't intersect any edge of the polygon. Polygon is complex if the line connecting any two vertices intersect same edge of polygon. Polygon to the equation of hyperbola centered at origin. If the transverse axis is along x-axis can be given as x2 a2 minus y2 b2 minus 1 equals 0. Which one is not valid outcode to perform trivial accept reject test in line clipping? 1001. Which one of the following is not the graphic library is used? Is the GL. In video text memory, dash is used to display character bytes. In dash algorithm, old color must be read before it is invoked fully. Okay. According to the architecture of raster graphic system, display processor memory will act as video controller. Okay, according to architecture raster graphics system, display processor memory will act as according to architecture of raster graphics system, display processor memory will act as video controller. Global coordinate system can be defined as respect to local coordinate system. False है. आगे है क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट ऑफ टू वेक्टर्स रिजल्ट इन अ वेक्टर. अच्छा, शॉर्टकमिंग ऑफ Sutherland Hartman Landman algorithm is concave polygons may be displayed with extraneous lines. True. Intuitive transformation relation applied to the point P can be denoted as a straight line can be moved to another location by applying dash to each of the line endpoint and redrawing the line between the new coordinate. Translation: if the value of scaling factors sx and sy are less than 1, then size of object will be reduced. Location can be translated or transformed from one coordinate system to other. True. If the value of scaling factors sx and sy is greater than 1, then size of object will be enlarged. A column matrix is also known as column vector. A column matrix is also known as column vector. Dot product of two vectors result in scalar quantity. Dot product of two vectors result in scalar quantity. Set up your tripod and pointing the camera at the scene viewing transformation. यार इसमें ना कैमरा का बड़ा कहना है, असल में मेरे पास भी DSLR है ना, फोटोग्राफी करता हूँ, तो बार-बार मुझे दिल को लग रहा है, लगता मुझे पढ़ना पड़ेगा ये चैप्टर जॉन सा 372 में चैप्टर पेज पे जॉन चैप्टर is based on characteristic size or scale and Claudian geometry. यार NU और BS का पढ़ा था नो यूनिफाइड ऐसा करके रैशनल ब्यूरो संसारित तौर यार Bernstein polynomial function are the basic. Which of the following does not figure into field of view of a pinhole camera? The direction of projection when transforming a random axis, a line, translation and scale. In class, we discussed the purpose of the front and back clipping planes in OpenGL, avoiding the problems of the infinite viewing value volume size. Next है अच्छा यार ये ना the forms अच्छा direction to material center. We discussed several global illumination algorithm in class. Which of the following listed can properly handle diffuse reflection, radiosity? We discussed several global illumination algorithm in class. Which of the following is generally characterized by a shining spheres and checkerboard ray tracing? We discussed several global illumination algorithm in class. Which of the following listed can properly handle acoustics, quantum mapping? When solving for ray polygon intersection, after intersecting the ray with a plane, a dominant component of the plane normal is found. This is used to ignore the dominant component when you project 2D. Snell's law is used to calculate which one of the following rays ट्रांसमिशन. ये स्नेल मैंने पढ़ा था ओज़ार्क में, एक आदमी का नाम था स्नेल्स. ओज़ार्क सीजन है काफ़ी अच्छा, अगर किसी ने मार्केटिंग करनी तो वो सीजन देखे, बिजनेस वगैरह करता है तो वो सीजन देख सकते हैं. इन द पिक्चर शॉट Gary's game, the character Gary's was created using which of the following technique? कैटवॉल क्लार्क सबडिविजन सरफेस। अच्छा इसमें ये गेम्स बनानी सिखाई है और कितने आएगा मैं कितना in a pizza shot during game the trees in the background were created using which of the following technique? Fractals. The basic function fi in Bezier curve must be symmetric with respect to u and now. A polygon is usually defined by a sequence of vertices and edges. A polygon is usually defined by a sequence of vertices and edges. Okay. Gouraud shading is the current de jure shading standard in accelerated three-dimensional hardware. Dash is based on characteristic size or scale. Claudian. Arrange the scene to be photographed into the desired composition, modeling transformation, which when transforming a random axis aligned bounding box defined by the points and two standard orthographic viewing box, which often transferred are used, translation and scale. The dash function multiplies the current matrix by a rotation matrix, GL rotated and GL. Match the pictures on the right with the corresponding term. BDCA, 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 BDCA. Oh my god. एंड थैंक गॉड कि ये ख़त्म हुआ। अभी मैं सिर्फ प्रिपेयर करूँगा, फिर अपने किसी को सुनाऊँगा, देन मुझे ये थोड़े याद हो जाएंगे, आप ऐसे याद करोगे। आई होप सो कोई यहाँ तक नहीं आया होगा। ओके, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना जो नहीं सुने वो भी कर देना।